Hey guys, welcome back to the Velocity Vision channel. Here we got the 3D printed cat boat, and what I'm doing is I'm testing a new ESC. The ESC is new to the boat, but it's certainly not new. In fact, it's actually very old. It's about 15 plus years old. I'm giving it a good rip, just making sure that everything is working well here on 3S, and the goal is to transition to 4S and see exactly what we can do with this boat next year. So as we do this, I shortly run into an issue that we'll see here in the video. As I'm making this last corner here, all of a sudden the power goes dead. Everything stops. I don't know exactly what could be going on here, but I'm trying to figure it out. I'm giving, a bunch of throttle input and nothing seems to be responding. So I'm also thinking, did something actually disconnect in the boat or not? But I'm pretty confident I know what the issue is, and that's why I'm patient with it. So I give it a little bit of throttle here and I do see that it does respond. So now I know that it is a low voltage cutoff issue that I'm having with this ESC, which is totally strange because I actually disabled the low voltage cutoff, but it still wants to have one, and the trigger point for the low voltage cutoff seems to be about 3.88 volts. Very strange.